guys, welcome to Funky Monkey. I'm Miss Cook. Today Funky Monkey has called me here to make mozzarella sticks with you all. Now let's get started with the ingredients. The ingredients and material you'll be needing to make your mozzarella sticks are 4 cheese sticks to make 8 mozzarella sticks, a plate, 1 egg, a bowl. I'm using roasted garlic breadcrumbs. You can use other breadcrumbs, and you can add pepper or salt if you want with breadcrumbs. Almond flour. You can use other flours. And then 2 little plates. A cutting board. A 1/4 cup measuring cup. Something to use for cutting and something to crack your egg with. And a fork. Now let's really start cooking. Once you've opened all of them, cut all of them in half. And then place each one on your plate once they're cut in half. And now you're done with your first step. For your second step, take your 1/4 cup measuring cup and take it with your breadcrumbs. And put it on one of your small plates. Do that same thing with your almond flour. Now take your egg and crack it into your bowl. And now mix it with your fork. If you need help, don't forget to ask a parent. Once you're done mixing it well, you're done with your second step. For your third step, take one of your cut cheese sticks and dip it into your almond flour. Roll it around a little bit. And now put it into your egg. Once you rolled it in your egg, take it out and put it into your breadcrumbs and roll it. Once you're all done with that, put it in your plate. And now do do with the rest of your mozzarella. Now your cheese sticks should look like this. Now let's start frying. And don't forget, if you're a kid, ask your parents to help you fry. Now take your pan and put it on your stove, and then turn your stove to high, and then pour some oil into your pan until you have an amount of oil in your pan where you can fry with. And I'm using olive oil. Wait till your oil gets hot. Now take some of your breadcrumbs and put it into your oil. If the oil starts bubbling a little bit, that means your oil is ready and you can start frying. But if it doesn't bubble, that means you have to wait a little bit longer for it to get more warm. Now turn your stove on medium and you can start frying. Once you think one of the sides are ready, you can flip it. But if it's not ready, you don't have to flip it. Now flip your mozzarella sticks. Once some cheese starts popping out of your mozzarella sticks, take it out and put it on a plate with a tissue. Everything is ready. You can start eating it. It's delicious. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below how your mozzarella went.